Pastor gave us 5 minutes. So in the next 5 minutes, we want to tell 6 things. Yesterday, this morning, it has been awesome. And Pastor was just saying, God did this, God did that. And the way I know I can tell God thank you is by dancing. And when we want to dance, I dance. Can I tell you the truth? There is a kind of dance you dance. Sir, I was telling them, you know, there are sacrifices that you will give to. If you go to Juju, there's a kind of thing you give. The Juju man will tell you, God no go answer this one. And then there is the one, I was wondering, you know, Solomon, he just gave God like 1,000. And me and you don't get 1,000 cow. But we have 1,000 dance. Am I correct? We have 1,000 shout. Pastor say God they shout. And all of them are reading for Bible. Amen. Thank God for my brother, Apostle Amadi. He has led us in the realm. Now, J-square want to lead you in the Rema. Are you ready? Can we go? Huh? Okay. Are you ready? You know, there is a kind of dance you dance. You don't get dance step. No give wicked dance. No, anyhow, you just anyhow. No do wicked dance, avec. Blessed art thou, son of David. Blessed art thou, root of Jesse. Hey, you are immaculately powerful. Hey, I can go on and on, on and on, on and on. Hey, from my words and not to know. Don't be talk, but my vocabulary will fail me. Permit not to say, hey, if I owe somebody, if I owe, if I owe, everybody, there is enough space to dance. You understand this place? Can you dance?